Hello friends, welcome to my kanji class. We will learn some more new kanji in this session. Let's start today's session. Lesson 19 we will learn today. Today is the last kanji class of JLPT N5 and this much kanji is more than enough for JLPT N5. So let's see what are the kanjis today we are going to learn. These are the kanjis we will learn in this lesson. Meaning of the kanji: noon, no kunyomi, onyomi, go. This kanji looks like ushi kanji. Do you know? We already learned ushi kanji in our previous lesson. The difference of both kanji is the strokes of upper part is crossed in ushi kanji, but it does not cross in noon kanji. That much only different. Please follow the stroke orders while you writing the kanji. Go go, go go. Once again, go go meaning afternoon or PM. Gojen, gojen. Once again, gojen meaning morning or AM. Meaning of the kanji: before, front, previous. Kunyomi, mae, onyomi, jen. When you learn a kanji, please follow both reading kunyomi and onyomi. Mae, mae. Once again, mae meaning before or front. Namae, namae. Once again, namae meaning name. Jenhan, jenhan. Once again, jenhan meaning first half. Mae barai, mae barai. Once again, mae barai meaning payment in advance. Meaning of the kanji: after, later, back, behind. Kunyomi, atto, nochi, ushiro. Onyomi, go and go. Please follow the stroke orders while you are writing the kanji. It will help you to memorize this kanji. Atto, atto. Once again, atto meaning after or later. Ushiro, ushiro. Once again, ushiro meaning behind, back. Kohan, kohan. Once again, kohan meaning second half. Nochini, nochini. Once again, nochini meaning later or in the future. Meaning of this kanji: every, no kunyomi, onyomi, mai. Please follow the stroke orders while you are writing this kanji. Mainichi, mainichi. Once again, mainichi meaning every day. Maikai, maikai, maikai. Once again, maikai meaning every time. This word can read as two ways. One is mainen, another is maitoshi, meaning same every year. Okay, we will practice first mainen, then maitoshi. Say mainen, mainen. Once again, mainen. Okay, next maitoshi, maitoshi. Once again, maitoshi meaning every year. Maiban, maiban. Once again, maiban meaning every night. Meaning of the kanji weak. Kunyomi nothing, there is no kunyomi. Onyomi siu. Stroke orders are here. Please follow it while you are writing the kanji. Sensu, sensu, sensu meaning last week. Konshu, konshu, once again. Konshu meaning this week. Raisyu, raisyu, once again. Raisyu meaning next week. Meaning of this kanji weekday. No konyomi, onyomi is yo. Long writing order, please don't worry and don't fear also. First let it break. This is he kanji. You know, we learn in our first lesson first kanji. Both are looks like katakana yo. Okay, so it will be easy. This is no. This kanji is little bit feel difficult, but its writing is easy. First write he kanji, then yo. Okay, as I am writing in computer, it is not looks good. If you write in hand, it will be better. Okay, next then okay, yo. Please follow the stroke orders mentioned over here while you are writing the kanji. Kayobi, kayobi, once again. Kayobi meaning Tuesday. Suiyobi, suiyobi, once again. Suiyobi meaning Wednesday. Mokuyobi, mokuyobi, once again. Mokuyobi meaning Thursday. Now it is quiz time. This sentence help you not only enhance your language skill but also help you in JLPT exam. When you reading a paragraphs along with the kanji, it will most important things. Nishukan Maini Konoho no Kaimashita. I purchased this book 2 weeks before. Tegami ni Kyono Hizuke to yobi o kaku. Hizuke. This kanji you not yet learn. The pronunciation is zuke. Okay. Hizuke. To yobi o kaku. Indo wa ima gogo 3時です。今日昼ご飯を食べた後で外出する。This kanji also you not yet learn. You will learn in N4. This is han kanji. ご飯。昼ご飯を食べた後で外出する。来週会社を休みます。うちの前にスーパーがある。Here I have given some words in kanji. Please write in hiragana and meaning of those words. Today is the last class of N5 kanji. This much kanji is enough for a N5 level student. Yes, when we practice the JLPT questions, if you will find that time we will learn. This much is more than enough for N5 students. If a N5 students learn from lesson 1 to lesson 19 whole kanjis, it is better for them. Hope my lessons help you to get knowledge. Please click the subscribe button and share with your friends if you think they can get benefit from this lesson. Let's meet with you in my N4 kanji classes. Till that time, goodbye. Sayonara.